Do you ever urge someone to just Google it when they have a question that you don't know the solution to? Is it just me? Google is one of the biggest business in the world, and millions of people use it every day to read, watch movies, watch television shows, find new trends, follow their favorite celebrities on social media, and visit websites. But did you know that a straightforward Google technique might make you a lot of money? You only require a phone, computer, and internet connection. Anywhere in the world that you are, you can employ this technique. For more information on this method and the chance to potentially make up to $2,500 a day, keep watching the video until the end. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now that we're back on the video, I want you to go to Google and type in Google News. Or if you prefer, just go straight to news.google.com. You will reach this page after doing so. However, you should pay special attention to the many news categories on the left side of the website if you want to get compensated by Google. The subjects that people are most interested in learning more about right now include business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health. You can get the news for that region by clicking on one of these links. Pick one that interests you for the next stage from the numerous articles here that all appear to be written very professionally. Simply click the link to be directed to the official article, which contains all of the news on the topic we choose after selecting one. The magic portion will start now. An excellent technique to generate money is by using Google News and articles from other people's expert articles. Simply copy the text of these sentences. Please go to Spinbot.com as we move on to the next level. As you can see, Spinbot is a free text rewriting program. It just requires that you paste the passage that we previously copied over here and click this button to begin altering the text. To begin the waiting game, simply insert the paragraph here. Spinbot will assist you in fully rewriting the content to produce something wholly new and technique. Simply paste the paragraphs here and click this button to accomplish this. You can harness the power of Google and AI technology to rewrite articles, personalize them, and transform them into material that is superior to the competition and where you can make tons of money utilizing this method. I'm fairly certain that most of you are familiar with this. You need to go to 3 distinct websites in order to finish the third phase. Continue watching this video to find out more about each one. Gaining more revenue by visiting more websites. TextBroker is the first website. It's TextBroker.com right here. You can get paid instantly here. It all depends on the quality of your articles. You'll be given star ratings, and different ratings correspond to different amounts of money you'll be paid per word on this website. Once you're on the homepage, click on I write content here at the top and then click on payment. They'll show you how much money you could potentially make. You can get paid instantly here. It all depends on the quality of your articles. Just go to Google News and search for other people's articles. You don't even need to write your own articles or have any writing experience or talents for this. After that, the powerful Spinbot will completely rewrite the post. And the interesting part is that you can make money simply by using Google to search. Anyone can accomplish this, even you. In fact, if you use excellent Google articles, you'll be receiving readings of 4 to 5 stars, which will earn you a ton of cash. You can mix numerous articles into one to raise the word count and your revenue, and it's one of the easiest tactics I've seen in a while for newbies to understand. Here are some good reasons to join TextBroker right away. It's free to join. You have a lot of flexibility and freedom when it comes to time. You can submit as many articles as you like, and they pay you once a week. You can begin withdrawing money into your account as soon as you have $10 in your account. Keep watching because I'll show you 2 more places where posting articles written by others could earn you money. Our second website is iWriter.com, and using iWriter merely takes 5 easy actions. Create a free account in step 1. This requests the type of content you wish to work on in step 2. The category for the articles you want to produce must first be determined. As you can see, There are many well-liked categories to pick from, like business, technology, entertainment, etc. Receiving your content from a writer is step 3. Step 4, after reviewing our content, you can decide whether to accept it or not. Step 5, get paid after people download your stuff. As you can see from this page, they will pay you generously here. If you go higher, let's assume you're serious about this. For 4,000 words, that's about $95. The good news is that if you provide high-quality articles like those from Google News, you can join the Elite Plus category, where you can earn approximately $300 for up to 3,500 words, which is a sizable sum of money. Your earnings will vary depending on what customer purchase under Elite. For 300 words, that's around $8.5. If you go higher, let's assume you, by submitting the same piece to TextBroker.com and iWriter.com, you can reuse it endlessly. Just consider how much money you could generate from a single article across several websites. Once more, registering on these websites is free. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. As soon as we get back to the video, we'll take you to the third website we'll be showing you today, Scripted. I want you to go to scripted.com because they often pay you for any articles you've written. All you have to do is click the Become a Writer button to be taken to this page, where you can apply to work as a freelancer unscripted and submit your application right away. Nowadays, you can get employment in any sector or division because they cover the most well-known and popular subjects that people are interested in. Google and Google News are so well-liked. There are simply too many resources available for news and articles of all kinds, and they are constantly being updated in the fields of science, technology, entertainment, and even health. It is my intention to share the most unique and cutting-edge technologies with you guys, as no one else is mentioning this approach. You can edit an article using the AI application Spinbot. Starting here is great and beginner-friendly, and payment is assured. 15 days after acceptance, you can request immediate payment and establish your own pricing, in contrast to the two earlier websites. Because you are paid well and can work whenever and wherever you choose, raising your prices will allow you to essentially double your income. Presently, they welcome applications from more than 20 nations. To complete your registration, to create a free account, just click the Apply Now button to be directed to this page. Use the resources of Google and Google News to identify several articles, rewrite them, and submit them to 3 separate websites to earn money from Google. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.